So this is your evidence-based project. This is what you're going to work with your preceptor with. This is the big project for our class. This is what we're working towards. So you're going to work with your preceptor. You're going to select a clinical practice problem that will inpatient patient outcomes. You'll research the evidence that supports solutions, synthesis, and appraise findings for best practice, and formulate some recommendations. You're going to give this to us in a PowerPoint that you'll post the 7th week of class and your work setting. So you want to formulate your question, right? And understand that we're doing this in steps, so you'll already have formulated your question. You want it to reflect a gap, an area of controversy, or an unsolved problem. Okay, the main idea is that the question is clinically or practice-based. You want to systematically search for evidence, and your text shows you how to do that. The evidence table I showed you in the course overview, and then you'll do an executive summary, and there's a video on how to do that. So you want to develop a PowerPoint or another visual that includes the topic to be explored, the evidence, how you appraised it, recommendations, the appropriateness for that. And then here's the feedback. Now, when you're doing the PowerPoint, I'm just going to show you if you go up to the top and you click on Tools. So for me, it's here. All right, I lied. It's on Insert. So again, you go up to the top, you click Insert, Audio, Record Audio. If you push this red button, it records 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You hit stop, you hit insert, and see this, and then I always put it over to the corner. My suggestion to you is just wherever you put it at the same place every time. All right, that is how you add audio to your PowerPoint. Okay, I don't want to save that. And that is the project, okay? And we'll take it in steps. We'll discuss each area. You'll do some reading. And then that'll be it. All right, thanks.